In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Fiverr to your PayPal account in just a few simple steps. This process is straightforward, but I will guide you carefully to ensure everything goes smoothly so you can access your earnings without any issues. First, open your preferred web browser and go to fiverr.com. Once there, log in to your Fiverr account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up. After logging in, the top right corner of the screen where you will see your profile icon, click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select Billing and Payments. In the Billing and Payments section, click on Payment Methods. This is where you can connect your Fiverr earnings to your PayPal account. Scroll through the options and select PayPal. It is important to ensure all details are accurate here, as mistakes could delay your withdrawals. After selecting PayPal, a button will appear. Click on it and you will be redirected to your PayPal account. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your PayPal account to Fiverr. Once linked, your accounts will communicate seamlessly, making withdrawals smooth and efficient. Next, return to Fiverr and navigate to My Business, then Earnings. Here you will see all your available funds. In this section, click on Withdraw Balance. Choose PayPal as your withdrawal method if you haven't already. Then, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double check your input to avoid errors. Finally, confirm the transaction. Your funds will usually appear in your PayPal account quickly, although it may take a short while, depending on processing times. And there you have it, from Fiverr to PayPal, allowing you to access your hard-earned funds easily. If you encounter any issues, Fiverr support is available to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more helpful tutorials. By following these steps, you ensure smooth and fast transfers of your earnings every time. Happy payment withdrawing from Fiverr.